Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by locating the CT file and confirming it's the exact CT or DICOM set you need. Next, open your chosen viewer or converter. You'll need one that supports slices and metadata editing. Once ready, make a secure backup and note file size and checksum so you can restore if needed. This prevents accidental changes. Then load the file into the viewer and orient the display to axial or sagittal views so you can begin targeted adjustments. Once loaded, adjust window and level to reveal the anatomy you need. This clarifies structures for any downstream use. Next, crop or resample the volume to reduce file size. Maintain necessary resolution while trimming excess margins. Then apply filters or run a simple segmentation to isolate regions of interest. This makes measurements and exports cleaner. Make sure to check voxel dimensions and orientation after each change so scale and alignment stay correct for later use or analysis. You finish by exporting the process dataset to the required format. Choose CT, N if TIE, or a DICOM export depending on your workflow. After export, immediately verify slice order, orientation, and metadata so downstream tools interpret the volume correctly. If you encounter mismatched orientation, missing slices, or corrupted metadata, revert to your backup and retry with a different exporter or viewer. Most issues come from incompatible.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.